All right, everybody, you want to see what happens when a real RV camper makes a floor plan? Here you go. This is the all-new 37 RD from Bighorn Traveler. It is beautiful. Light bright, the nice fascia here giving you that barnwood look. By the way, this is real hardwood. So let's talk about the back of this floor plan. 50-inch TV, integrated soundbar with pass-through HDMI, this large fireplace, standard, MCD shades throughout the rear of this coach, windows that will open so you don't have to rely on the AC, allow Mother Nature to cool the coach, matching slide boxes that are very, very tall. I'm 6'3", 250. You have seating for 8 guests. Both of these sofas will open and accommodate sleeping on 2 queen beds. Here on this sofa, seating for 2, both of these seats will recline comfortably, looking at this beautiful rear entertainment area. No carpet throughout this floor plan. The only thing that you are going to have is marine grade woven fabric. It's much more durable. It's going to mitigate odors, dirt, debris. It's going to last you a long time, and it's beautiful here in the rear den. Whether you need an outlet, USB, or even wireless charging for your smartphone, Andy Westdorp and our entire Bighorn Traveler team made sure that that was going to be paramount and standard for all of you. What I love most about being in this kitchen is the ability to have cross conversation with any of my guests, whether they're in that rear den or at the dinette. This entire massive kitchen is all solid surface. You have a residential style 15 cube refrigerator. You have a large 3-burner stove with glass top, so you're not limiting the use of this entire counter space. It does come with an oven. You also have a residential size microwave. You have 2 massive windows here. You're gonna get a lot of natural light in this coach. Here's your dinette. You got a bench on one side, and then you're gonna have 2 folding chairs on this side as well. Bighorn Traveler was able to add an additional 18 inches here on the very north end of this floor plan, so both you and your partner can access this bed easily. The master suite closet extends all the way across, and behind these 2 doors is your washer and dryer prep as standard. At the foot of the bed, you have 2, 4, 6 drawers, all on roller bearings for additional storage. They added a beautiful hardwood top, so you need a place to set up with your laptop, an ideal location to utilize. Also is going to come standard with your TV and LED lighting, along with additional natural light on both sides of this king size bed, and the privacy when you need it, because remember, those MCD shades are going to be standard. There's so many additional features within this floor plan. Find the nearest authorized Bighorn Traveler dealer, go to heartlandrvs.com and learn more about the all-new, never before released 37 RD from the Bighorn Traveler team, designed by a real RV camper. Thanks, everybody.